Nerds! Welcome to Nerd Magic. Time to get nerd up. Okay nerds, in this video I'll be letting you know my iPhone X case recommendation, and the case I recommend will be the Triennium Clearium series, if that's how you enunciate it, and the link for this amazing case will be in the description below. Okay, let's start the unpackaging of this. Let me just take the case out of here, and let me just take it out of plastic real quick. Boom, just like that. And as you can see, I decided to get an ultra clear case. I just like the clear case. The reason why I just want to keep showing the aesthetics of this beautiful phone, which is the iPhone X. And as you see, we have the volume cutouts here. It looks pretty good. There we have the power cutout right there as well, and the cutout for the camera. Hope this will definitely help to give the back camera some protection. And we also have the cutouts for the speaker and the charger. Now let me just put the iPhone X right in this case. Okay, and now we have the case on the phone. I can't lie, the phone still looks just as beautiful. Not to mention it's getting some premium protection here, because this case is made with premium TPU material, hardback polycarbonate. It's also scratch resistant, and the design will also provide you optimal protection because it's also reinforced with shock absorption. In addition to that, I really love the minimalistic design. It's simple and slick, and the case brings out the beauty of your iPhone X while ensuring that your phone stays well protected. And another plus with this case, nerds, it has the raised protective bezel, and these raised edges will help to keep your phone screen and camera off of flat surfaces, which will definitely keep your phone from potentially getting any type of scratches or scrapes. So this is definitely a good plus with this phone as well. And the slim profile of this case also allows you to experience the original dimension of your phone, but still receive all the full access to all your buttons and ports. Okay nerds, and if you find this video helpful, please show some love by subscribing. And again, the link for this case is in the description below. And have yourself an awesome day, and I love you guys.